This is a quick demo of how you can set up the Mega Menu Pro module. So once you are in the page editor, just click here and go to the global content editor. And remove this and look for the module. Let's drag and drop it here. So that's pretty much about it. It's a standalone module and it will not work with the standard HubSpot menu options. You have to first remove the default header and replace it with this. And once it is here, you'll find all the different options. You can explore the different styling options, the content here. You can change it. So because it is added as a global content, if you just publish this, it will be published to all pages. So here you can see the alignment is not correct. So if you face this, it's just where I have dragged it. So if I pull and drag it here, and this is about it. Thank you.